Hey everybody, this is me, Fallout 93862. Sorry, I stuttered a bit. It is a rainy day in Maryland. Wow. Can't really see the rain that well. See, maybe if I close up. Yeah, there it is. Rainy day. And it only gets better. Whee! It's like this humongous tree in my front yard. Very, very, very old. This used to grow apples. This is garden stuff. That's actually a trash can. And you already know what this is if you already saw my long shot video. I just wanted to show you the outdoors. See what it's like. Well, yeah. Amazing. Sorry, I'm not really talking that much. Just a little bored stuff. Amazing, isn't it? It's a humongous small tree that's algae and stuff. Not really algae, it's just like leaves that's growing on it. And that's, you already should know what this is. This is Old Glory. Amazing. Hang on. No. There we go. There we go. Old Glory. Yeah. Not saying I don't hate other countries, but I just like the way this flag looks. Oh, that's a Harvest Moon thermometer. It's used for like obviously it's used as a thermometer to see how hot it is outside, and it's also to see, it was also used to see how like crops grew, stuff, and what precise temperature to grow crops. That's a reflection door. And that's the travel case. Whoa! Oh, that's a lion. See? Lion. Pet. It's a plant. Oh, there's a lot of plants out here. Somebody peed in this fountain. It turned yellow. The teacup. And that's Hooded Man. Yeah, these are painted. These were painted in my house. Pretty cool. As you can see, it is very windy. Well, as you can hear, obviously. Oh, there's another lion, by the way. It's greenish. It's very windy, so it's going to be hard to hear my voice. As long as it's raining in any outdoor video. I hope you liked this video. If you didn't, I did all this hard work for nothing. Alright. Goodbye.